Another year is gone, but we had opportunity to take some photos from the areas around us. So I put also the new calendar for 2024 year, and it's very simple to do it. You just print 3 pages and a little bit cut and folding job, and then you can place the calendar on your working desk or wherever you want. So enjoy it. Here I have a first sheet of the calendar. They are 3 together. All other 2 pieces are done the same way. So let's start. There are crop marks like here, 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 here. And so we will cut not from whole side, but only from crop mark on one side to the crop mark on other side. The same we will do here. Continue. There is another one close to the previous one. Don't pro-cut all, just stop on the mark. Now there are 2 cuts in a right angle, and this time we can go not through all page, but we can go from crop mark and also do through those 2 in the middle. And I will rotate paper because the ruler better hold. Okay, and the same on other side. And in the middle we need to fold the paper. How I can do it, I just make mark with knife on one and other side, turn paper on the other side, and I have here some scoring tool and push on the paper. Don't cut, just press on the paper. It creates some kind of the mark in the paper, and then it's easy to fold. And we have the one pair of the months, the same on this side.